Today I'm going to talk to you about our work mat that we have developed here at KVEC, and it follows the CSA model. That means it follows concrete, semi-concrete, and abstract. Concrete, we're going to have the manipulatives working here, the semi-concrete is here, and the abstract is down here. So you're going to see all of this together as we demonstrate with using today algebra tiles. So these are some algebra tiles that we're going to be using today. Now, the first problem I wanted to show you was -3 plus 1 equals. So I'm going to show -3, red's negative. I'm going to show plus 1, so I'm going to have a yellow, which is positive. So -3 plus 1, what do I need to do? Now, I've taught my students 0 pairs, so I know that these two are going to pair up, and then this is going to be my answer. So my answer is -2. Now, at this point, I'm going to discuss with my students about drawing this out. So they're going to draw -3. They're positive 1. They're going to 0 pair these two away, and their answer is going to be -2. So my answer here is -2. Now I'm also going to talk to my students about how is this similar to -3 subtract -1. And at this point, I want them to see that this is also -3, but I'm taking away a -1. As you see that, then I still have -2. So how is this the same? And we're going to discuss why this makes this change to -3, change the sign of the second number, and it becomes the same. Okay, our next problem that we're going to look at is -4. So again, -4 counters. And over here I'm going to draw my -4 counters. So I'm getting in the concrete, the drawing, I'm putting this into my mind as a mental image. I'm going to take away -2, so if I take those away, I have -2 left. Now, I'm going to do the same thing with this, and I'm going to show the opposite with the addition. So, let's talk about this with addition. I have -4, so I'm going to put -4 counters. I'm adding positive 2. So -4 plus 2. I'm going to go over here and we'll go ahead and draw this out. Okay, I've done that. I'm going to 0 pair. If I 0 pair, that means these are 0. And I have -2. Okay. Now, the next one we're going to talk about is 6 take away a -5. What's that going to look like? So, we begin with 6, which is positive. So positive 6. And I'm going to take away a -5. Now in this case, I do not have a -5 to take away. So I have to build 0 pairs of -5. So there's a 0 pair. There's a 0 pair. Here's a 0 pair. Another 0 pair, so that's 4 0 pairs, and my last one, a 5th 0 pair. Now, Do I have a -5 to take away? I do now. So in this case, I'm drawing 6. And I'm adding 0 pairs of 5. This is negatives. These are positives. So these are positives. And I'm taking away the 0 pairs. I'm taking away the -5. When I take that away, I have positive 11, or 11. So with this work mat, what I like about this work mat and what I love to see students doing is I love to see them building here. They are doing the drawing, putting the mental image here, and then here is the abstract where they're just writing out the problem. They have all of this going at one time. You can choose just to do the 2 parts without the abstract. So that's a choice that you have.